إذا كان له في بلده مال يتلف بذهابه إلى الحج. Let's say you have a business and no one is taking care of business. The moment you travel for Hajj, your business will be looted, gone away. You will have losses. If a person had wealth or had properties, whatever he had source of income, source of wealth or wealth. يَتْلَفُ بِذِهَابِ إِلَى الْحَجِّ. If he's going to go for Hajj, this is going to deteriorate. وَكَانَ ذَلِكَ مُجْحَفًا بِحَالِهِ. And this was too much intolerable for him. Like this was the only source of income, this business which he's running. And if he goes, his business will go down, totally mess up, chaos. And that is not going to be good for him and his family. And there's no way he can secure his business because he can't find anybody trustworthy who could handle it. Then he says Hajj would not be obligatory upon him. وَإِذَا اسْتَلْزَمَ الْإِتْيَانُ بِالْحَجِّ. If a performance of Hajj is going to necessitate or lead to or cause to or associate in istalzama, mulazim, lazim, two things together, associate. So if a performance of Hajj is going to be a cause of avoiding in a more important wajib, such as what? Such as inqadu ghariqin. Look at subhanallah, the insaniyat of Islam. A guy is dying, okay? He's sinking, and you are like on your camel or on your car going for Hajj. He says, no, save that guy, okay? But if I'll go and save that guy, I'll miss my flight, I'll miss this, my connection. If with difficulty and hardship, I got my flight. This is a human being is dying. The guy is in the fire. You are afraid you will miss your flight. There's no other flight and your Hajj will go away. Go and save that guy. And Hajj will not be wajib upon you. إِنْقَاذِ غَرِيقٍ أَوْ حَرِيقٍ أَوْ مُسَاوٍ لَهُ. Saving somebody from drowning, sinking, or somebody from fire, or something similar to these kind of conditions. تَعَيَّنَ تَرْكُ الْحَجِّ. The choice is then you have to leave the Hajj. وَالْإِتْيَانِ بِالْوَاجِبِ الْأَهَمِ فِي الصورة الأولى ويتخير بينهما في الصورة الثانية. وكذلك الحال فيما إذا توقف أداء الحج على ارتكاب محرم كان الاجتناب عنه أهم من الحج أو مساو له. Similar situation. If you're going for Hajj is going to cause you to commit haram, then don't do haram. But I won't be able to go for Hajj. Don't go for Hajj. Hajj is not wajib on you if that's the case. For example, many people, they want to go Hajj. Let's say this guy is a hyperbolic Irfani guy. He's obsessed to go for Hajj. They take loan from people. And people, they want the loan to be given back. Give me my money back. Give me my money back. I need my money. You know, like it's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Hajj is wajib. It's not wajib. I need my money. You're supposed to give me my money back. Your Hajj is invalid, batil. This is called stealing, theft, indirect theft. You are not allowed to do that. If he had told you, I need only $100 monthly, and you had like $10,000, $8,000, you pay 100 and you go for Hajj. Even in this case, it's better to seek permission. You give me permission to go for Hajj. If he says no, just give him the whole money, whatever loan, whatever money is there. But if he says yes, yes. But what about the many people, they have bank loans? Bank loans, they don't want more than what they're, because they're charging you interest. They're already looting you. So maybe sometimes the wajib is either more important than the Hajj or equal to Hajj. إذا استلزم بالترك واجب أهم. Like saving the life of that person is more important than the Hajj. Here you have to leave the Hajj. What about if it was equal to Hajj? How? Let's say you made another. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give my son a child or my daughter a child or give me grandchildren, in the days of Hajj, I'll go and perform ziarah of Imam Hussein alayhi salatu wasalam. And Hajj was not obligatory upon me when I made this nadar. And the days pass and I got money and from here and there. And then mashallah, I got the istita'a. I was able to get financial ability. Hajj became wajib upon me. And I got a grandchild. Ziyarat became wajib upon me. Can you see the scenario? Two things. Khalas, you have an option. Either you go for Hajj or either you go for ziyarat. So, but what about the vow? You pay kafara, penalty. Okay? So you have an option as long as there is no somebody's dying, somebody's going to be hurt, somebody, that first scenario. The second scenario, something which is related to God. God says, okay, no problem. You do ziyarat, I will be pleased. You come to me, Hajj, I will be pleased. In both, I have pleasure. And if you choose Hajj, then you can go for ziyarat next year, Arafah, or pay kafara. If you choose ziyarat, you can go Hajj next year, inshallah. The same thing, haram. Haram means like more important than Hajj. So if you are going to loot somebody's money, no. Don't loot the money, don't go for Hajj. Or to avoid something equal, which is nadar. Not going for Hajj, haram. Not fulfilling nadar, haram. So you have two equal haram here. You have to do one of them because two equal wajib are there. So you have to do one of them, you have to leave one of them. So the same example of colliding obligatory ziyarat with obligatory Hajj, it can be suitable for the second example.